Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start. 1.1.3 Characteristics of living things. Cellular structure. All living things consist of the living substance called protoplasm, which forms the basis of cells. These cells contain DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, molecules that carry biological information. Cells of plants and animals are organized into tissues, and tissues are in turn organized into organs and systems. These structures are responsible for carrying out the various life processes.
Metabolism. Metabolism is the sum of the various processes that give the organism's life. The two aspects of metabolism are anabolism and catabolism. The food material is made into a part of the organism in the process of anabolism. The food material, when broken down, release energy and results in the formation of waste products. This process is termed as catabolism. The important metabolic processes that take place in organisms involve the utilization of food.
This includes nutrition, respiration, and excretion.